8, Diary of a Space Traveler, we are going to learn types of sentences from Module 3. This is one of the important grammar part in English. Children, we already know what is a sentence. What exactly is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words and it is having 3 important characteristics. The first one is it expresses a complete thought or idea. The second characteristic is that it must have a subject and a verb combination. And thirdly, and most important characteristic is that the meaning of the sentence can be anything based on the expressions. Now, it expresses a complete thought or idea. For example, blue sky is the. This is a group of words, but is it conveying any meaning? No. So it's not a sentence. Now, rearranging the same group of words, we can get a meaningful sentence. The sky is blue. Now we get to know about the color of the sky from the sentence. It's conveying a meaning, so it is a sentence. Secondly, it must have a subject and a verb. That's the catch here. Sometimes subject is not given but understandable. For example, put the book here. Here subject is not given but you is the most implied subject here. So, the sentence is, you put the book here, and it is understandable. And thirdly, and most important characteristic is that the meaning of the sentences can be anything based on the expressions. Now, these expressions can be a statement, a question, a command, or any exclamation. Based on these differences and thoughts, they are divided into 4 types. Let us deal with them one by one. To repeat, there are 4 types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. The first type of sentence is declarative sentences. Now children, declarative types of sentences tells an information or gives some information. You must always remember that such sentences always end with a period or a full stop. Period or a full stop. Declarative sentences always end with a period or a full stop. Examples: a dog is a man's best friend. The sandwich is very tasty. She is a beautiful girl. All these sentences are declarative. They are giving some information based on people's experience. And most importantly, these sentences end with a period or full stop. Now the next type of sentence is an interrogative sentence. Now these type of sentences are used to ask a question and always ends with a question mark. So questions like where, who, what, why, when and how are all indicating an interrogative sentences. The examples are: who are you? Where is my book? How are you? Will you be my friend? Now what you have to remember is that interrogative sentences always end with a question mark. The third type of a sentence is imperative sentences. Now these sentences always end with a period or an exclamatory mark. These type of sentences gives command or asks for a request. So some examples are put the key in the drawer, wait for me, please leave your footwear outside. So children, please remember, imperative sentences gives command or asks for a request. They can end in an exclamatory mark or a full stop or period. Now the fourth type of sentence is an exclamatory sentence. These type of sentences expresses strong emotions or feelings. Strong emotions like sadness, anger, shock, etc. or happiness, cheerfulness, etc. You have to remember that exclamatory type of sentences always ends with an exclamation mark. Some examples are, this is a huge fish. What a beautiful day. He is such a nice boy. All these sentences are ending with exclamatory marks. They are showing some strong emotions or feelings. And so these type of sentences are called exclamatory type of sentences. Now for a recap, all you have to remember are these from this slide. Declarative sentence, it makes a statement and ends with a full stop. Exclamatory sentence, it shows strong feelings and ends with an exclamatory mark. Imperative sentence gives orders or requests and ends with a full stop, period or an exclamatory mark. Interrogative sentences always asks questions and ends with a question mark. Now here's a small assignment for you collected from your textbook and also 2 worksheets which you can do for better practice. Okay children, thank you.